Being busy doesn't necessarily make you valuable. Typical scenario for accountants to, laging OT, laging may dalang trabaho pa uwi, at syempre, laging sinasabi, busy ako. At first, mukhang impressive, di ba? Basta accountant, sobrang dedicated niyan. Pero kung titingnan closely, may mapapansin kang pattern. Ang daming oras na nauubos sa encoding, sa paghahanap ng receipts, sa pag-compile ng reports na pwedeng automated naman. So kahit 12 hours na nagtatrabaho ang isang accountant sa office, hindi pa rin makagawa ng higher level analysis. Busy? Oo. Valuable? Di ka sure. Kaya automation is perfect for accounting eh. Encoding? Automatic. Reports? Isang click lang. Receipts? Upload mo lang, bawas na yung pagtatype. At dahil may oras ka na, makakapag-focus ka na sa mas importanteng mga bagay like analyzing trends and advising the owner. And guess what? People will see your value better kasi hindi ka na lang basta busy, kundi effective. Accountants, it's time to change our mindset. Hindi badge of honor ang pagod, lalo na kung may mas smart way to work. With automation, you can drop the lagi akong busy image and start wearing the badge of being insightful, efficient, and trusted. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.